Hello students, in this session you are going to learn basic concepts of HTML. First one, comment statements in a HTML. Comment statements are nodes in the HTML code that explain the important features of the code, and the comments, they don't appear on the web page when we execute, but they are useful for the author of the web page and for other programmers. And to create a comment statement, we use the following syntax, that is less than symbol, exclamation mark, two dash or two hyphens. Next is we should write the comments. Next, close the comment with the two hyphens and greater than symbol. And next one is a blink tag in a HTML. It is possible to make a text blink by using the blink tag. We have to include the code within a blink tag, and this blink tag is not supported by the Internet Explorer. That means we oftenly use this blink tag. A page formatting. To define the background color of the web page, we use a bg color attribute in the body tag, and to define the text color, we use a text attribute in the body tag. And to define the size of the text, we should type base font tag with the attribute called size equal to n. And we use these three attributes, that is background color, bg color, text and size here. This is an example for this. In a body tag, we have included bg color equal to black, next text equal to white, and base font size equal to 7, and this is the text that will appear on the web page with the white color font. Next, background color is a black and size of the font will be 7. And inserting the images on a web page, we use img tag to insert images on our web page, that is by typing img with the attribute called src equal to image.ext, where image.ext indicates the location of the image file. And we can also change the width and height of the attributes by using a width equal to n and height equal to n to adjust the image size here. N is in terms of pixels. And the attribute border equal to n can be used to add the border in terms of what n pixels thick around the image. That is, n is in terms of pixels. And alternate text. Say some browsers, they won't support images. In that case, we use alt attribute. So alt attribute can be used to create a text that appears instead of the image. Say example, image src equal to satellite.jpg, alt equal to picture of satellite. If image path is correct, then it will display the image. Otherwise, it will display the text called picture of satellite. Links in a HTML. A link lets you to move from one page to another, play movies and sound, send email, download files and more. A link has the three parts. First one, destination, a label and a target. And to create a link, we use A. A is a anchor tag and href is a attribute, that is hyperlink reference, equal to page.html. Next, label. Next, close the anchor tag. Next, anatomy of a link. A href equal to page.html, label. Next, close an anchor tag. In the above, link, that is a page.html is the destination, and the destination specify the address of the web page or a file the user will access when he or she clicks on the link. And the label is the text that will appear underlined or highlighted on the page. This label is usually blue in color with underlined. When we click this label, we will reach a particular page, that is page.html in this case. Example, to create a link to CNN, I would type a href equal to http www.cnn.com, and the label here I have used is CNN. When I click on CNN, I will reach this web page. And to create a link to MIT, I would type ahref equal to http www.mit.edu. This is the URL, and MIT is a what label. And changing the color of the links. To change the color of the links, there are three attributes: link, v-link, and a-link attributes, and they are inserted in the body tag to define the color of a link. First one, link, defines the color of the link that have not been visited, and v-link defines the color of links that have already been visited, and a link defines the color of a link when a user clicks on it. Okay, so these are the three attributes to change the link's color. And using links to send email, that is, to create a link to an email address, we should type a, that is anchor tag, href equal to address, next label. Like for example, to create a link to send email to myself, that means I would type a href and my address, next, and label here is email, email. Okay, by clicking this I will reach to my email. Thank you.